winter weather message, blizzard warning remains in effect until 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time Wednesday. Blizzard conditions expected, total snow accumulations of 2 to 3 feet, except 4 to 6 feet above 7,000 feet. Travel could be impossible with near zero visibility at times through Wednesday morning.
Lake Tahoe is no stranger to winter weather advisories and typically sees some serious storms roll through. However, the whole region has been absolutely hammered by snow during the 2023 winter season. The alpine region, which is located on the border of California and Nevada, has just entered another weekend of blizzard conditions after seeing some record-breaking snowfall over the previous weeks. The blizzard warnings set in on the 24th of February, and snow continued to fall for around a week. By the time the sun came out, Palisades Tahoe recorded 148 inches of new snow across the top of the resort. 148 inches is 375 centimetres, which is what many resorts across the East Coast, Australia and New Zealand will see in a whole winter season, and this is what the resorts had to deal with in just 8 days. Looking back on the 7-day total snowfall, Boreal was at the top of the list with 126 inches, Sugar Bowl 119 inches, Palisades Tahoe 107 inches, North Star 97 inches, Diamond Peak 94 inches, Homewood 92 inches, Mount Rose Ski Tahoe 90 inches, Kirkwood 82 inches, Sierra Tahoe 80 inches, and last on the list is Heavenly at 75 inches. There was a brief period of sunshine during the week where many of the mountain teams could get out to dig out the resorts before the next blizzard took aim at the region. Over the weekend, the area is forecast to see several more feet of snow, and this will continue as there is no break in the weather in the forecast. Hats off to the mountain ops team who are tirelessly digging out the resort, along with Caltrans and the plough teams who were able to get the roads in drivable conditions. We think it's safe to say Lake Tahoe could possibly see a record-breaking winter, which is not just great for the amazing skiing and snowboarding, but also for the ongoing drought which California has been suffering. This snowpack should stick around well into summer, and when it melts, able to fill up the reservoirs across the state.
Look at
Oh
this.
my
Wow.
God, where is that?
That looks like
It's
an
in
egg roll.
Tennessee.
Where?
Caverns.
That's
And,
intense.
Dude,
Oh
see
my
the-
God, that's amazing.
Wow,
Yes.
the sound.
We've pulled together some of the best footage of our own from when we were in Lake Tahoe, along with some of the best footage from the ski resorts as they battle through these blizzards.